Hello Cambly learners, it's me, Cambly Tutor Yuri. Today we'll be exploring a variety of relative pronouns. Who, whom, whose, and whose. Pronouns are words that take the place of a noun. These words are used to connect clauses or phrases to nouns or pronouns. They help provide more information about the noun or the pronoun that they refer to. Let's start with who. Who is a subject pronoun. It is used to indicate which person did an action or which person is in a certain state. Let's use an example to help you better understand. The woman who is standing over there is my teacher. In this sentence, who introduces the relative clause who is standing over there. And the word who refers to the woman as its subject. The word who is used to show which person did the action. In this case, the woman did the action of standing. Okay, let's do one more example sentence. The filmmaker who made this movie is American. Here again, the word who refers to the filmmaker. Who is being used to show which person made the movie. Next, we have whom. Whom is also used to refer to people, but it is used as the object of a verb or a preposition in the relative clause. Let's create a sentence to help you better understand this. The student whom I helped with the assignment got an A+. Here, whom is the object of the verb helped. So here the word whom is used to describe who I helped. The student. All right, one more example sentence for whom. The teacher whom I spoke to said we didn't have homework. Here again, whom is the object of the verb spoke. So here the word whom is used to describe who I spoke to, the teacher. Now, let's move on to whose. Whose is used to show possession or ownership, that something belongs to someone. And it is usually followed by a noun. So example 1. The man whose car was stolen reported it to the police. In this sentence, whose shows that the car belongs to the man. So here we are saying that the car was stolen, or the car that was stolen, belonged to the man. Okay, one more example sentence for whose. The girl whose dog is barking loudly may upset people. Here again, whose shows that the dog belongs to the girl. So here we're saying the dog that is barking loudly belongs to the girl. It's the girl's dog. And finally, whose. This sounds like the other whose, but it's a little different. Whose is a contraction of the words who and is, or who and has. Here's an example sentence. The girl who's sitting in the front row is the class president. Here, whose is a contraction of who is, describing the action of the girl. What is the action of the girl? She is sitting. Let's finish off with one more example of the contraction whose. The teacher who's talking is looking for you. Again, here, whose is a contraction of who is, describing the action of the teacher. What is the action of the teacher? The teacher is talking. So in this case, there may be many teachers. So to make it clear which one, we indicate what this particular teacher is doing. They are talking. And now that we understand the basics of who, whose, whose, and whom, let's finish off today's video by using them in some sentences. Can you identify the person who helped you yesterday? Do you know the student whom the teacher praised for their hard work? Can you tell me whose book is on the desk? Do you know who's responsible for organizing the event tomorrow? Have you met the person who's going to be your roommate next year? Do you remember whom you spoke to at the party last night? I hope this is clear now, because by using these relative pronouns correctly, you can make your sentences more precise, more accurate, and you can convey information more clearly. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly is a platform where you can connect with native English speakers like me for personalized language learning sessions. Whether you want to improve your speaking, your listening, or your comprehension skills, Cambly has got you covered. So schedule your next lesson with me or any of our amazing tutors using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy learning. Bye.